You take up a shield when arrows are flying, when pressure is being applied, when the enemy is attacking your mind, your confidence, and your identity. And this is so important because it means that faith is not passive, right? It is not automatic. Faith is responsive. Hebrews chapter 11 verse 6 tells us that without faith, it is impossible to please God. And Romans chapter 10 verse 17 says that faith comes by hearing, and hearing through the word of Christ. Which means that faith is something that is continually stirred, strengthened, and then exercised in real moments of pressure, in real moments of spiritual attack. As someone once said, faith is not believing in spite of evidence. It is obeying in spite of consequence. Which means, church, faith acts. Faith responds. Faith steps in when everything else is trying to pull you in the opposite direction. So when the wrong thought comes, you take it up. When the lies come, you take it up. When the fear comes, you take it up. And when the enemy tries to divide your mind, you take up the shield of faith and you stand on what God has said.